and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Fatihania binti Azmi.
My name is Nur Aina Nadira binti Suidan.
Okay, first we need to know the definitions of permutation. For any set of A, a function phi which goes from A to A is called a permutation of A if phi is 1 to 1 and on 2. There is two things to know. First is two objects can't occupy the same location. In other words, phi is 1 to 1. For example, if 1 maps to 2 and 3 also maps to 2. So, two objects can't be in the same place. Second is every space is occupied. Is another way to say that phi is onto.
I will show you some example. Permutation A and B are in symmetry 7 and are as the following. So this is permutation A and permutation B. The question is, express A and B in cycle notation. Step from left to right. So 1 equal to 4, 1 equal to 4, A map 4 to 3, 4 to 3, map 3 to 7, 3 to 7, then map 7 to 1. But 1 we do not need to write, so we just put the parenthesis after 7 just to indicate that 7 map back to the first element listed. So 1, 4, 3, 7. Another cycles is 2 equal to 6, map 6 to 2. It's bounced back, so we write 2, 6. The last cycle is 5 map itself, so since it map itself, we do not need to write. So for B, start from 1 to 4, 1 to 4, map 4 to 1. So it's bounced back, so the answer is 1, 4. Then another cycles is 2 map itself, we do not need to write, same goes to 7. Then the last cycle is 3 equal to 5, 3 equal to 5, map 5 to 6, 5 to 6, then map 6 to 3, but 3 we do not need to write. So we just put the parenthesis after 6. So 3, 5, 6. So the answer for A, 1, 4, 3, 7 to 6. For B, 1, 4, 3, 5, 6.
Okay, next we need to identify the order of A and B. So, for the order of A, as we know, A from the previous question, we got 1, 4, 3, 7 and 2, 6. So, we use this common multiple to identify the order of A. So, where we got 4 and 2, which is from the element in A, 4 and 2. So, from the LCM, we will got 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So, the order of A is 4. Okay, next we move to the order of B. As we know, B is 1, 4 and 3, 5, 6. We use LCM also. So we got 2, 3 from the elements in B. So from the LCM, we will got 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. So the order of B is equal to 6. Okay, next we move to the next question. We need to find A inverse and B inverse. Hence, evaluate A, B inverse, and write the answer in cycle notation. So, we got A inverse, like this, which is 1 to 7, 2 to 6, 3 to 4, 4 to 1, 4 to itself, 6 to 2, and 7 to 3. Next, B inverse, we got 1 to 4, 2 to itself, 3 to 6, 4 to 1, 4 to 3, 6 to 5, and 7 to itself. Okay, next we need to evaluate A, B inverse, A inverse. So we write this in respective place. Then we need to multiples from backwards. So first we need to multiples B inverse and A inverse. So we got like this: 1 to 7, 2 to 5, 3 to 1, 4 to itself, 5 to 3, 6 to 2, and 7 to 6. Okay, after we got this answer, we need to multiples with A. So we got 1 to 1, 2 to 5, 3 to 4, 4 to 3, 4 to 7, 6 to 6, and 7 to 2. So this is the answer for A B inverse and A inverse. But the question wants to write the answer in circle notation. So here we go. So 2, 5, 7, and 4, 3.
So the last question is express a power of negative 190 in cycle notation. We let a power of 4 equal to iota, where it is identity maps. A power of negative 190 equal to a power of 4 power of negative 48 times a power of 2. Here we do indices where 4 times negative 48 plus 2 we will get negative 190. Since a power of 4 equal to iota, iota power of negative 48 as identity times with a power of 2. So a power of negative 190 equal to a power of 2. Based on question A, we know the cycle notation of A is equal to 1437 and the second cycle is 2, 6. A power of 2 we get from here is equal to A times A. So this cycle we just substitute here like this. So we start from the right side to the left side. Okay, we start from 1, we write here 1. 1 goes to 4. Look at left side, 4 goes to 3, we write here 3. Then go back to the right side, 3 goes to 7. Then go to left side, 7 goes back to 1. Since it goes back to 1, we just close the bracket. So we get 1, 3. Then we start from 4. We write here 4. 4 goes to 3. The left side, 3 goes to 7. We write here 7. Then go back to the right side. 7 goes to 1. Then go back to the left side. 1 goes back to 4. Same case with the first cycle. So since it going back to the 4, we just close the bracket. Okay, so we start from 2. 2 goes to 6, then go to the left side. 6 goes to 2. It maps to itself. So just close the bracket. Then 6 goes to 2, and the left side 2 goes back to the 6. So 6 same goes to 2, it mapping to itself. So we just cancel both cycle. So the final answer is a power of 2 equal to 1, 3, and the second cycle is 4, 7. That's all from us. Thank you.